Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to make a Booksy business account so you can manage appointments, clients, and payments smoothly. First, open your browser and go to booksy.com. On the homepage, click For Professionals or Start Free Trial to begin setting up your business profile. Next, choose your business category, whether you're a hairstylist, massage therapist, nail technician, fitness coach, or in another service industry. Enter your business information, including the salon or company name, address, phone number, and the services you offer. Be sure to add details like service names, descriptions, and how long each takes. Now, select your staff availability. This includes working hours, time slots, breaks, and days off. It's important to set this up clearly so clients can book when you're free. Once you've entered all that, Booksy will ask you to verify your email address. Check your inbox, find the verification email, and click the link to activate your account. With your account activated, you can customize how clients book with you. Okay. Decide whether you allow online bookings only, phone bookings, or both. Next, connect your payment system. Booksy supports Stripe or Square. Set up your account so clients can pay instantly when they book. Finally, review everything your services, pricing, availability, and payment settings. Once it looks good, finalize your setup and launch your Booksy business account. And that's it. You're now ready to start accepting bookings from clients through your Booksy business profile. If this tutorial helped you out, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more helpful tips for service professionals. Thanks for watching.